So I'm hoping at the end of this lesson you can really start to imagine some things different taking place in your life. I hope that the mindset discussion is something that maybe could light a fire for you. It's one that has been really exciting in my life, and I'm just so excited to share it with anyone. I know it sounds maybe a little bit woo-woo or whatever, but there is so much research to support her findings, Carol Dweck's findings, and how we approach our problems that we are facing, how that really relates to our successes and failures in life. And so just remember that we are not the sum of our failures. Our failures do not define us, but what we are is what we do with those failures. Does that make sense? So it's like, when we learn, failure is a great opportunity to learn. So I just don't want you guys to ever feel like I need to avoid this activity because I know it's going to be difficult and I don't want to fail. Failure is not pleasant. No, never pleasant, but it is something, it gives you an opportunity to learn. It gives you a chance to hone your skills a little bit. It's another opportunity. And so I really hope that you will take this to heart and apply it to all facets of your life. It does not have to be just academics. Mine definitely was not an academic thing. So the running thing was huge. I'm currently training for a 10K. So I'm planning on running over a couple of bridges in the southeast very soon. So very excited about that. I cannot express to you how much this has made a change for me and how it's changed how I talk to my kids, how it's changed how I talk to my students. And I just really encourage you to let this one in. Okay? So, all right, I'm going to get away from the woo-woo for a little bit, but just good luck with this and, go get it. Go make stuff happen.